What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 Boo! What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Rickey Jones Jr. back again for another video, in which I'm also excited for this video, largely in part because I have been researching, looking, and I finally made the plunge. You know how, well, and I say made the plunge like it was just this crazy thing, but nonetheless, you know how you see advertisements, right? And you like, oh man, like they in my mentals right now, because I said to myself, I need to start eating better during lunch because I've been eating a lot of greasy food and I work out in the morning, you know what I'm saying? I got that down packed. However, I don't see the results that I ultimately want. So I was like, I need to do better. I need to figure out a way to eat better, healthier on a consistent basis. However, my options, my choices aren't the best in the area in which I work in right now, right? And so I'm like, there has to be a way. So I'm giving y'all this full story before I do this unboxing because I think it all will come together and I'm gonna taste it as well. But anyway, so then like I said, I'm on social media. I'm getting ad after ad after ad after ad, and it's like, hey, you should try this. Hey, you should do this. Hey, you want to get this to go? Hey, you want to get this to try? And I'm like, man, like I started throwing it to my friends and I'm like, hey, have y'all tried chava? And they like, nah, like I heard about it, but I never tried it. So I said to myself, I'm gonna be the one. Okay, and y'all gonna go along the ride with me. So boom shakalaka, the box is here, and I'm gonna try to unbox it with this here thing right here, right? But nonetheless, I'm excited for it because it will be what I eat for lunch on a regular daily basis. Well, excuse me, Monday through Friday. Maybe one day I'll try something else. But boom, so this is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. Here it is. I did get the chocolate flavor, and so it says born in the jungle. I like that. Just like my LSU Tigers. Shouts out to the Tigers. It's college football time. So y'all gonna see more of my, alma mater paraphernalia. And, especially with me being here in Florida, we play Florida State. This here, we play on Sunday, actually. And so a lot of trash talking has been had. But anyway, this is a chava, okay? So if you don't know, if you haven't seen about it or read about it or got the ass like myself, this is an all-in-one scenario, right? It's the whole body meal. It's a blend of organic superfoods and plant-based proteins inspired by ancient wisdom. All your essential nutrients in one. So again, if you want to start eating better, doing better, don't wait till January 1st, 2023. Start now with me, okay? And, you know what I'm saying? We can do this thing together. So, let me know in the comment section, if that's you. If you're trying to do better, live better, and try different things to, for that, let me know. Maybe this is what you're using, maybe not. And whatever it is you're using, it could be of help to somebody else. So I understand this to be, I gotta read the instructions and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna read that and then we're gonna get to what this look like. All right, great people. So it says to use 12 to 14 fluid ounces of the liquid for 2 scoops of the chava, okay? So I believe that I should get the water first. Let's do the water first and then we'll do the scoops. All right. Let's make sure that bad boy up to 12. And I do recommend you to use cold water. And maybe when I'm at work or whatever, I'll go and get some ice water and just, shake it up, razzle dazzle in the scenario. In which it said 12 to 14, so 13 will do. All right, so now we have 2 spoonfuls of this bad boy. And, shouts out to them for not having to scoop all the way at the bottom. Because I am a germaphobe in that respect. But nonetheless, it's at the top, in which the scoop isn't bad, right? And so the scoop is like this, and boom shakalaka. And so what we're going to do is just dump that bad boy, right? We're not going to try to get it wet, because then I don't want my situation on the inside to be clumpy or nothing like that, right? And so we're going to scoop again. Scoop, baby, scoop. See, man, chava, y'all need to holler at me, you know what I'm saying? I could do a commercial or two. Oh, snap, I'm spilling. Maybe I need to practice chava. But anyway, so boom, here's the second one. Kaya. All right. So we're going to shake it up. And like I said, this is going to be my meal. It's going to be my lunch meal for the day. And my goal is to do it for 4 days out the week. I feel like I'll be good to go. And I think it said it should last me 15 days. So If that being the case, that's what, 2 weeks? But not really. That's like 3 weeks and some change because I'm not going to do it every day. So if it's like 4 days and then it's like 15, so then really it's like 4 weeks, really, you know, missing a day. Because 4 times 4 is 16. I feel like slashes, but it's just this. All right, so, and then really I should have the whole like metal ball situation in there too, but I don't. So we're just gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it like a tall shaker. Ooh, ooh, dance break, ooh, 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 a dance break, ooh, ooh. All right, so we're gonna have fun with this, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, if this is my meal, I might as well have fun with it. All right, so we're gonna pop the top, paka. All right, let's see what we got, ladies and gentlemen. It's not bad. It's not bad. All right. So there was a time in my life where I was trying to like gain weight. So I was drinking muscle milk and protein and all that good stuff. And I had it in my mind that this was going to taste like that. And honestly doesn't. It has a taste of its own. I really can't describe what it is, but it is different. Even though like this is chocolate, like, whoo, coming across a couple of clumps. I will say, it's not bad. It's just like that flavor. Like, you know how like healthy stuff has a flavor? It's clean, but it's like it's a taste. It's a taste that you really can't like, you know what I'm saying, describe. It just tastes what it tastes like. But I mean, ultimately, it's like if you're going to drink it, you might as well do it in a relaxation like you would like watching TV or whatever, whatnot. Like, it's a thing. If we here for it, it's a thing, right? Yeah, it's maybe one of them things that I have to chug and call it a day. But I really want to eat better. I really want to do better. Like I have some kale growing in the backyard, some collards too. I just want to do better by my body. And I believe this is going to be a nice step. Now, you know, we'll see what happens. See if I feel full. And the list goes on. So this is day 1. But I check in before the bag is done. However, we're here, right? Will I advise it? I don't know. This is day 1, but nonetheless, you know, I'm trying something different. Maybe you want to try something too. So, hey, do what you do. Let me know in the comment section below if there is something great, something good that is healthy that you recommend that others like myself can take part in, because we can all help each other, okay? Because we should do better, live better so that we can be better. All right, great people. Hey, here's a new thing we're doing. Let's do it together.